Welcome to our tutorial on ManyChat. In this video, we'll explore how to create powerful chatbots using ManyChat. First things first, let's get you started with ManyChat. Head over to manychat.com, sign up and link your Facebook page. Easy peasy. Flows are the heart of ManyChat. They're like chatbot conversations. Let me walk through creating a simple flow with text messages and buttons. Imagine a flow that greets users, asks their preferences, and provides relevant info. See how this happens here. Now let's make our chatbot smarter with AI steps. Use AI steps to handle common queries like, what's your business hours? Want to connect ManyChat to other tools? External requests are your friends. Sync leads to your CRM automatically, no manual data entry. Before going live, test your chatbot within ManyChat. Send test messages to see if your bot responds correctly. Ready to launch? Activate your flow. Set up a keyword like help to trigger your chatbot. Congratulations! You've mastered ManyChat basics. Remember, chatbots can save time and boost engagement. And that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.